The western gorilla, with its soulful eyes and nurturing families, embodies the enduring love that binds life in this forest. Their existence is a testament to the importance of protecting the sanctuary. The African golden cat, a rarely seen feline, moves stealthily through the underbrush, a symbol of the enigmatic nature of the rainforest. Their presence is a reminder that there's always more to discover in this living tapestry. The olive baboon, with its social bonds and playful antics, embodies the vibrant spirit of the Congo's wildlife. Their communities reflect the interconnectedness of all life here,